All right, you guys. I thought I was recording, but my phone had stopped. So I'm gonna let you see what I've done. I am not finished. As you can see, inside of my shelf, you see, well, let's open it. You see we have the brown, and that I'm going to include a picture, let you see this was brown, that was brown. So what I opted to do, because the brown did not go with the aesthetic of the room, I took my Easy Liner marble contact paper from Walmart. I took that from Walmart. So far, I've only used, okay, focus in. Okay, there we go. I've only used, out of the one roll, and I still have this, I am going to do inside of the two shells. I did the center, and that's all I did. And what I did, you guys, I opted to go horizontal. And when I done that, at first it started out close to the edge, but you know it veers off, and I just caught my trim up on the back. You will not see that. And on the front, I overlapped. I made sure I had enough for the lip to go down. And the questions, and this is a tip, you guys, you know, I believe in giving you tips on how to make something look professional. You see that? And that's about 4 strippings of just a regular 1 inch going this way. And what I do is I rotate it to make sure each end, when it stops, the end matches up. But here's a useful tip. If you're using contact paper on something that has a lip, and this is almost a full 1 inch lip, it is about 1 inch. What I do is I overlap it, because this came down to about here. Then I take that 1 inch and I just went straight across on some of the spots, because my cut wasn't perfect. If it come up, because I already have this paper lapped over, so it give a illusion of one full cohesive piece. Now I have this spot here with the lining, and I was putting it in. Now I will take my safety pin or needle and just stick it in there several spots, and it will actually release the trap air for me to smooth all of that out. So that is what I have done thus far. And the main thing that, here we go, that I hate that I did not film, but I created a curtain wall. Yep, you heard me right, a curtain wall. I did put them in there with the wall anchors, because these are velvet drapes. They are heavy. I kept with the color scheme of the black and white. I have 3 sets of the black curtains. I got 1 set and 1 out of the pack over here on each end. You guys, on the white, that is a total of 6 sets. You heard me correct. We are bringing this room almost to a close. I picked up the planners from my local Family Dollar, and they were $8, you guys. I was trying to see if the tag was on the bottom. That's another tip. Always look at your plants. As you see, this is more sparse. Flip it. Always put your fuller side to the viewing side. Had the carpet installed from, what is it, Carpet Warehouse. Here's a local store. Again, these curtains and these curtains are the same. The top swag valance came from Amazon, as well as the rod. I'm going to link everything that came from Amazon down in the description. The valance, you guys, was $119. The vase is a DIY. I will include the link for that for my DIY channel. And this fireplace came from the furniture outlet as well. If you want to add elegance to a space. Now, we use velvet drapes.
Hello.
They can't see you. I'm at the curtains. I'll let them talk to you in a second. We use velvet drapes. Now, if you want to make this pop, and I truly mean pop, if you like faux silk curtains, you can do that as well. The thing though with the faux silk, if you're going to use faux silk, put those on your end, use shears in your center. I'm giving y'all the plug, you guys. She will give you the plug. And always, you know, I do play with my different fabrics. Even though you see black everywhere, you guys, these are different tones and different fabric types of the black, which makes the room look so much better. I like symmetry, but all of my fabric I don't want mix matchy. I will mix it up, and TT wants to talk to y'all today.
I want to show you this thing that's gonna sit up right here. It says love.
I love you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, with that being said, we're going to put the TV back. I've almost convinced my sister that this TV needs to be mounted. She likes TV sitting on pieces, and she liked the modern look. She liked how I actually style and decorate my home. She have also got to see me decorate about 20 spaces. And you guys, and every space is per the person. I do, even though I like kind of a luxury glam, and even though I'm glam, even like you guys, you see with all of the mirrors, I like mirrors, but my taste for mirrors, even on that, is toning that I like art pieces. I'm just going through some changes, and I'm okay with it, but I'm getting her to get on board to actually get this TV mounted. And if we mount the TV, I already know what pieces need to go on here. We just can't do them because of the TV.